Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can print large letters, really large letters covering the entire sheet in your documents on Microsoft Word. So let us get started right away. Now, what you want to do guys is start a new Word document, or let me here skip to the next page to get a completely blank page or sheet. So just like that. And what you want to do after that is choose a centered alignment here at the top in the paragraph section. And after that, head over to the font section here to the left, click on the font size or that arrow down icon and select the custom size. So according to the drop down menu here, 72 is the largest possible font size, which is not true actually. You can go even up to 500 or 600 units. It depends pretty much on the font you go with. So let me go with that font here for the sake of the tutorial and go with a custom font size of, let's say, 600 and use capital letters. So simply type your letter here at the bottom on your blank page, just like that. There you go, then A. Continue with the next letter with B, C, D, and so on and so forth. And yeah, keep typing large letters covering your entire sheet. So what you want to do guys to print that is simply click on File at the top and select Print from that drop down menu here to print your large letters. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.